Work on cracking the injection code volume 2 is in progress. This time we are focusing on solid stabilization and studying what pressure resin-bound geopolymers can generate when the space is 100% filled. We are testing two materials. The first one is geopolymer 55. 55 kilograms produce 1 cubic meter of foam, which means about an 18 times volume expansions. The second one is geopolymer 350. 350 kilograms make 1 cubic meter, so the expansion is about 3 times. Both material were sealed in test pipes. Geopolymer 55 has a very short time of reaction, about 7 seconds, so we injected it using a two-component pump. As soon as the system was full, we closed the lower and upper valves almost instantly. The pressure increased to around 25 bars, with 3 tests giving an average of about 25 bars. Geopolymers 350 reacts slower, around 30 seconds, so it could be injected after dynamic mixing. We filled the whole setup and the average result from the 3 tests was about 2.4 bar of expansion pressure. Of course, every resin behaves differently, but this test, together with earlier foam density measurements, will be very useful for designers and engineers who plans to use this technology in real projects. And that's what cracking the injection code volume 2 is all about. Do you think I can sweeten my coffee with a piece of geopolymer 55? Oh, wait, it's already gone.